Hello everybody, XJoe81X here. Saturday, May 18th, 2019. Are you tired of coming into your garage at any time of the day or night, pressing the button, shutting it off, walking to your door? And you have packages? Not only can you just sort of grab it, but then at least with a pinky you could, okay, and then you and then you risk slamming it into the wall, which, not this video, but that's what this is for. But not for nothing, if it is hard enough, it still will go through, but I digress. And then you holding your stuff in your hand, and then you go and you come back. Ugh. But what do people do? Oh, they got their can of schmutz, and okay, let's get the baggies, and you're walking in with the baggies. Do hun, everybody fuck you. Da 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 da. Oh, okay. Oh, did you shut the door? Oh no. Oh, and then you have to shut the door, and then you kick this, and then. I have the automatic door, which is from Home Depot. You pop these pins out and these hinges. I ended up purchasing this one by itself. This is the factory one, and I actually needed another one because the door would not work. So, I mean, that's an eyesore. Am I correct? You know, got this garage, maybe you're working, you're not working, and got a piece of spackle here. So let's get rid of this. We're going to take this and we're going to bring it downstairs. Well, we're going to put it away. We don't need that no more. But wait, Joe, I used to do this, which is another stupid idea. And then it would kind of hold. You see what it's done to the door. And then, but then it kind of still, but wait, what are you gonna, yeah, so, lo and behold, of all people in the world, JK18, said, you know, they got door stops now. Yeah, of course they always made a door stop. They made one that you could put on this side, and then you kind of flip it down, and then that would stay, but there's a lot of height here. Then they make one, this, and they, So, of course, disclaimer, I actually installed it, and it's been installed for 20 minutes, and then I'm like, oh, I should make a video. So, anyway, this is what I purchased. Magnetic Doorstop with Catch from Everbilt, the Home Depot. It cost $5.98. It gives you 5 screws and 3 anchors. First thing it gives you, what you need to do is position it on the door. Excuse me, everybody. This is what it looks like. This is magnetic. This goes, damn it, on this nipple. Oh, perfect. Doop. And it's magnetic. We'll touch upon that in a second. Oh, magnetic. Oh. Okay, so this sits... this screw and bolt screw into that, and you position it on the door. What I want to tell everybody is first, because I had a problem with this. This is very loose because it's Depot, so you want to tighten it. Please hold. You just want to grab, you know, a Phillips on this side, and then a pair of linesmen on this side, and just, of course it's threaded the wrong way because it's Depot. If this was reverse threaded, then when you tighten it, then it would tighten itself. But you just need to put a little oomph on it, because what was happening is, pre-camera, I was installing it, down goes Fraser. I was installing it, and this was just spinning. It was just spinning because this nut here which is not to be confused with the one behind the wheel. And so obviously I did this, so let's put it back. So all you have to do is just line it up, make a pencil mark if you want, and then drill 3 holes. You could pre-drill them, you could self-tap them, you could do anything you want. I decided to put 3 screws in. This shaft now will turn on this screw. See, now before I had to, this would be all loose. I had to like pull and tight, pull and tight. So right here, nice and tight. Be careful, you don't want to score, you know, but it's okay. I just want to make it twatty. Doesn't really matter. I mean, me, I'm kind of crazy, so I kind of want to just a little bit more. All right, that's fine for me right now. Off camera, I'll worry about that. So, gotta get up, get on up to the east side. So, you have to open the door with a pencil. You have to mark where it hits. Oh, look at that. Sitting pretty, New York City. And then you shut that. And then that unscrews from this. Be careful, it has a spring. Not so much a lot of tension, but enough to where, you know, it might fall. This is straight into drywall. Over time, depending on how violently I remove it, it might start to pull out. But for right now, I just put 2 screws in. Again, there's 2 holes. You could manipulate them with a flathead screwdriver or any tool, and they unscrew from here. So now that it's lined up, you could very vaguely see the pencil mark behind this thread, behind that top thread. Yes, that's how good I am. And it just sits in there, and you just put it in, make sure it sits like that, and just, you kind of feel it. It's not a lot of tension. See, it's not a lot of, and you just kind of, don't cross thread it if you can't. There we go. And you just kind of, there you go, make it loose, work it out. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And then that will just tighten. There we go. And the moment of truth, everybody. And yes, I'm probably going to paint that red. Maybe. You open the door. It's magnetic, so it kind of sits. It's not exactly straight because it funnels in, but you could push it. Doesn't seem like it wants to, you know. See, it actually was barely sitting. Unfortunately, I can't move it to the left because I already made the hole. So that's it. It's not gonna, under extreme pressure, it's not gonna go nowhere. But, excuse you, everybody, but just enough. And I'm assuming it's a little, you know, yeah. So that's about it. That should be it. You could paint that any color. It comes in white, brass, black, and silver. Yes. So the white matches the door. The white matches the outlet. I didn't paint the outlets, so we'll probably we might just leave it. Who knows? So thanks for watching. That's the the magnetic doorstop with catch from Everbilt from Home Depot. It says that it's 3 inches. Again, thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe. And please stay tuned for XJoe81X's Summer of 2019 videos. Thank you.